how can I use it in the individual level and on the organizational level?
Driftology as a concept, but also as a tool and practice, can help us at various levels. At the level of the individual, organization, or broader society, it can help us in this way. At the individual level, I can wake up every day and attend to each segment of the equation that forms the driftology concept. Moments when I begin to see what is playing in my life, when I detect the opportunities that are arising and how to respond to those moments. At the organizational level, driftology allows us as an institution to see together what are we facing going forward. What is it in our current reality has the seeds of the future, regardless of the storms we might be going through, for the success we need. It is the ability of an organization to use different lenses, to use different antennae in order to pick where opportunities lie. Within the current reality, difficult as that might be, also are embedded the seeds of the future that wants to come through our organization, through our work. That's what makes driftology valuable for both individuals as well as organizations.